Let me teach you one very profitable Cobweb entry technique that will help you become very, very profitable sooner. Okay, so what do you need? Right here, I have two things that you need. You need the RSI right here, okay, and then you need the moving average. But for this particular entry technique, you only need the RSI, okay? Yeah, so let me first explain what I mean by this particular strategy, okay? So here's the thing: the market moves, let's say, on an uptrend by forming a series of high points going higher and high and low points going higher. Okay, so in this case, if it is an uptrend, the high points are going higher, okay, forming higher highs and also forming higher lows. So the low points are also going higher. Okay, so we will get on the chart in just a few minutes to explain live on the market. Okay, and then what happens next, for you to understand how the market is going, okay, for this particular hidden divergence technique, very powerful, okay, is you find that now the RSI is moving lower, okay, so it has already formed a new lower low, okay, but when you come to the chart here, the RSI, the price, the Cobweb price, okay, the Cobweb, okay, the line chart is a Cobweb, okay, the Cobweb is higher, okay, so still formed high, okay, but on the RSI formed low. So when you see this happening, then you combine with other entry techniques on the Cobweb strategy, okay, now you take your buy trade right there. As you wait for the market now to shoot up, you shoot up and you make money through that. Okay, so let me explain that on the chart. Okay, so these are very, very simple strategy. Whether you are a beginner, you are an intermediate, whether you've been trading for a long time, you will still understand and profit from this particular strategy. The Cobweb strategy as a whole is very, very simple. Very simple. Okay, so look at this. We have the low point here. Okay, let me pull out this. Okay, we have the low point here. Okay, on an uptrend, because you can see the price is above the moving average, pushed up, pulled down. Okay, so now we are looking for buying. Okay, pushed up again, making a new high. Okay, now the price is pulling backwards. So when the price is pulling backwards here, you look at the RSI, and the RSI has already made a new low. So the low point on the RSI here, okay, let me clear this up to make it clean. So the low point here has already gone lower, okay, like that. But on the price, it is still up. That is a very, very good clean confirmation that is the hidden divergence is forming. So when you confirm that with other entry techniques on the Cobweb strategy, and by the way, you can get the whole strategy guide, the whole Cobweb strategy guide, step by step, just $50. Contact me, the link is in the description. You get all the 6 entry techniques, you get all the entry techniques, you get how you to define the trend. Okay, the trend is simple. To define the trend, to know when the market is going to reverse, there are multiple things that you need to understand, so you don't get trapped on the wrong side of the trend. Okay, it's very, very simple. Okay, also exit techniques on profit, how to place your stop loss techniques, all of that will be there. Very simple from the beginning. Trend, entry techniques, stop loss, take profit, and the psychology around it, and then you become you understand the market easily. So the Cobweb strategy, let's roll. Let's take some more examples. Some more examples happens often, but not quite often, but super reliable times. Look at this. The market is moving up, pushed up, pulled back close to the moving average, right? And then from there, the market made a new high, okay? But when you look at the RSI here, the price has made a new low. That is a good indication that this will be a very, very good buying zone, a very good buying level, okay? And when you see that, you confirm with other entry techniques on the Cobweb strategy, okay? Now you can buy. You look for buying opportunity. You can see the market bought, okay, right there, nice buy. And then the market dropped just as a retest on the pullback at the volume profile zone where the transactions are before shooting even higher. Okay, it's super simple, super simple. Okay, I hope you have seen that. Let's look for some more examples. Look at this one. The low point here, the price short to the high point, pulled back, shot back up again, and then pulled back. So if you look at this, you can see that there is a high point going higher here, a low point going higher there, but when you look at this, the low point is going slightly lower. equal or slightly lower. That is a sign that this zone around here, the RSI has already made a new low, but the price has not. That means the market will be shooting high. So when you combine that with other entry techniques on the Cobweb strategy, boom, that's it. You just shoot your shot and the market rolls. Okay, that is it. A few more, we can check on a few more examples. You can see even right here, the market is below the moving average, went below the moving average, pulled. Okay, now it's making new lows. Okay, the price is going down here. Okay, and the price is going up here, which means a nice shooting area right here. So what do you do around that level? Now you just look for a selling opportunity around this level here. Okay, makes sense? Yeah, it's super easy to understand. Super easy. Look at this one here. Okay, you can see this. We have some lows right here. These are low points. Okay, and this one is the low point. It's low point, but then the new low that is forming, it is still higher than the previous low, but the low on the RSI is lower than the previous low. That means this zone right here is a very good level to make to shoot your shot, and then boom, you combine with other entry techniques, and then you roll. Okay, and then you roll as the market moves. Okay, so this is the market has been consolidating in the past few days this week. So that means the following week, next week, I'm expecting very nice moves. Look at how the Cobweb strategy works. The market is above the moving average. Boom, just look at the bounces. Just look at the bounces, and then here reversal zone. And okay, you can understand that once you get to understand the entire strategy, and then you can reverse with it. It's super simple. Like, look at how the market moves. Anytime the price is below, okay, this is a reversal zone. You could have easily understood what is happening right there, to just go against the trend to catch the reversal. Anytime the market is below, boom, buying opportunity, boom, buying opportunity plus confirmation, boom. Okay, super simple. Look at this. When the market is above the moving average, buying, boom, buying, boom, buying, boom. Okay, super simple. Okay, you can see that buying opportunities, but you need the 6 entry techniques to just confirm where the market is going, just to make sure you don't enter, get stopped, and then still the market moves you towards your direction. But look at this, very nice. Okay, $50. Contact me, the link in the description right now, to get the whole guide, the entire strategy, so that you can master and then keep it super simple as trading should be. The more you complicate trading, the harder it gets. The easier you will give up very fast. Okay, so let's roll. Yeah, that's it.
Let's go. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence, the volatility of life, my